This is the ANCEL VD500 OBD2 scanner, designed specifically for VW, Audi, Skoda, and seat owners, and trust me, this thing punches way above its price. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this scanner is the perfect fit for your garage. Built for VAG owners. This scanner isn't a generic tool trying to be everything to everyone. The VD500 is engineered for Volkswagen Group vehicles, that's VW, Audi, Skoda, and seat if your car has a 12-volt, 16-pin OBD2 port and it's from 1996 or later. This tool is ready for action. It supports all the major OBD2 protocols: CAN, ISO 9141, KWP2000, J1850 VPU, J1850 PWM, so it handles communication like a pro, too. Advanced functions just for VAG systems. This is where it really shines. With the V or a diagnostics menu, you get access to modules most cheap scanners can't even touch. On-screen list, Engineebstrans Airbats steering angle sensor. You can read and clear codes, see definitions, and handle real repair task resets like oil service reset, brake pad EPB service, throttle position adaptation. These are the same resets dealerships charge for, and you can do them right at home. Free. Plug and play simplicity, no apps, no Bluetooth pairing headaches, just plug it in and go. The VD500 powers itself directly from the OBD port, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants fast answers without complicated setups. 4. Full access, no hidden fees. One of my favorite things about ANCEL: no subscriptions, no locked menus, no paid upgrades. Everything this scanner can do comes unlocked out of the box. Plus, software updates are free through Windows 7, 8, 10, and you can switch languages like English, German, Spanish, French, and Italian. 5. Works with non-VW cars too. With limits, got another car in the family? For non-VAG vehicles, the VD500 still does the essentials. Check engine diagnostics, read and clear trouble codes, turn off cell, pull VIN information, but advanced features like EPB reset, oil reset, or throttle matching only work on Volkswagen Group vehicles. So keep that in mind. Designed specifically for VW or Audi or Skoda or seat systems. Access to advanced modules most budget scanners can't read. Performs oil, EPB, and throttle resets dealership-level tasks. Truly plug and play, no subscription fees or paywalls. Wide compatibility across VAG models. Advanced functions don't work on non-VW vehicles. Updates only through Windows, not Mac. Interface is simple, but the screen isn't as modern as touch screen tools. Can only clear codes after the actual fault is repaired, just like Pro Tools. If you drive a Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, or seat, the ANCEL VD500 is honestly one of the best budget diagnostic tools you can own. It gives you access to modules and resets that even $200 scanners don't unlock. For DIY mechanics, it's perfect. For beginners, it's simple, clear, and frustration-free. For professionals, it's a great backup tool specifically for VAG vehicles. And if you want to stop guessing at warning lights or stop paying $80 every time your dealership plugs in a scanner, this is a smart investment. Alright team, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and share this with someone who drives a VW or Audi. And if you want to check out the ANCEL VD500, I've dropped the link for you in the description below. Until next time, keep your car running strong and your wallet even stronger. I'll see you in the next video.